Let's get you all the latest updates coming in from the Supreme Court right now. We can confirm for you that the video in which Pawan Khera referred to Prime Minister Modi as Narendra Gautam Das Modi has been played out in court twice, and both times based on the request from the Assam government lawyer who said that the bench must see the video to confirm that it was an intentional comment is what the Assam government is currently arguing, because the Congress maintains it was a mistake that Pawan Khera made and that he said that it was a mistake the very same day. It was a slip of tongue. Let's get you, in fact, more updates right now at this point as we speak, and the updates coming in from the Supreme Court. I can also tell you that right now Pawan Khera is undergoing the mandatory medical test as well, and this is as per routine. After that, we'll see really where he's taken. But let me also tell you right now that in this particular case, the Supreme Court is also suggesting that they can go to the magistrate to release Pawan Khera on interim bail. But that's something that the Assam government has opposed, saying let Pawan Khera make a case for interim bail before the magistrate. Why does the Supreme Court need to intervene in this matter? Now, the Assam government continuing to maintain that what Pawan Khera has said is derogatory, insulting to the Prime Minister and incites disaffection against a duly elected Prime Minister. So these are in fact the updates that are coming in. I can confirm for you that the order right now is being dictated. So we're going to track very closely whether the Supreme Court gives any relief to Pawan Khera or says let the magistrate decide. Let's see what plays out when the Assam Police now produce him in court. Let's take this across to Maushami first. Maushami, even as we track what's happening in the Supreme Court, can you tell us where Pawan Khera currently is?
So Pawan Khera has been taken to the DDU hospital for a medical checkup. That's the protocol that is followed before he is produced in front of the Dwarka court. But clearly in the Supreme Court what's playing out, Akshata, is that the court has said we cannot quash any FIR. We cannot do that. We can consolidate the FIRs. We can think about that. But as far as quashing the airport, you will have to go to the court of that jurisdiction. But clearly Supreme Court is saying, Akshata, that a communication has been addressed by the SI from Assam to SHO Police Station, Domestic Airport, New Delhi, saying he is required to be apprehended in connection with three offences: 153A, 153B1, 500, 504, 505 and 120B of the IPC, in fact many more. And here the Supreme Court is reading out the order, Akshata, saying that the jurisdiction of the court, in fact, under Article 32 has been invoked. Quashing of the complaint, in alternative transfer and clubbing of FIRs in one jurisdiction. So here details of relief have been sought and a consolidation of FIRs has been demanded. Restraint on coercive steps and other reliefs, including provision of security to the petitioner and the family. So clearly protection being sought by the Congress party for Pawan Khera. It is being argued that there should be a consolidation of FIR, and in minutes from now the Supreme Court will actually read out the order. Okay. On the other hand, Pawan Khera has been taken to the DDU hospital where the medical checkup for Pawan Khera will take place, and that's what's happening in the Supreme Court. And
so
Singhvi is arguing
right
for
now
petitioners. Singhvi for petitioners submits that at this stage, yes.
Okay, so Maushami getting us those updates. Let's take this across also to Kanu Sharda. The order as we speak is being dictated. And what Maushami was pointing out towards the end is that Singhvi again has confirmed that right now they're not seeking the quashing of the charges. They're not seeking the quashing of the cases, but rather would pursue remedies before the appropriate court. What they're seeking from the Supreme Court, Kanu, is essentially the consolidation of the FIRs.
Yes, he is seeking the consolidation of FIRs. He is also seeking no coercive action against him or his family till the time the consolidation of the FIRs will take place. And he's also demanded that, the alternative arrangement like transfer and clubbing of FIRs at one place. So it is very important to see the order is still being dictated. My colleague Srishti Ojha is sending us live updates from the Supreme Court. So it's a matter of few minutes only. We'll get to know where is the order for Pawan Khera is coming, whether there is a relief or he has been asked to go to the jurisdictional court to seeking relief.